Hey everyone, factoring into today's video. It's a 5-day forecast today. We're going to have a detailed look at when the next 5 days across the British Isles. It's going to be a period of change. We're going to lose the cool, unsettled, almost autumnal weather we have through most of August and replace it with something much drier and warmer as we get on, of course, into the start of autumn. The old wise summer is a singularity but occurs very, very regularly for early September. It looks like it's going to be a classic example of it this year, with high pressure building in, bringing drier and warmer conditions for the opening of September, and of course the start of what is autumn. The 1st of September to the 30th of November is autumn. It's meteorologically questionable, but it's used when dealing with the statistics to have that defined period from the 1st of September to the 30th of November. So yeah, we're into the start of autumn next week, and summer looks like it's coming back. Before we get on with the video, I just want to say about the ads. There's video ads on my pages at GazOvervids.com. You play on the video ad, you'll be supporting GazOvervids.com. Thanks very much for doing that. So just have a look at radar pictures quickly from the weatheroutlook.com. Find a link to Weather Outlook on my links page. Not a lot going on. There's some showery rain down across the far southwest of Ireland into the far southwest of England. That will be pushing northwards and eastwards very gradually through the course of today. Here's today's toxic pressure chart from westcentral.de. Find a link to West Central on my links page. Got low pressure out in the Atlantic. That's bringing this weather system into the southwest. But already pressure is showing signs of ridging to the east of the country. So I think many places are going to stay dry today with sunny spells. But we have cloud and rain across Ireland and the far southwest of England. That'll probably push northwards and eastwards in towards South Wales and possibly central southern England by the end of the afternoon into the evening. But it'll be a sort of a raggy band of showery type rain. It won't be sort of a big band of persistent rain like we have, for instance, on Bank Holiday Monday. Temperatures today somewhere between around 14 and 20, so still a little bit below average really, but it won't feel too bad in the light winds. Overnight, that system will push further northwards and eastwards, taking that band of showery rain up across the country. I think across England and Wales it's going to be pretty light and patchy, but for Northern Ireland, Northern England and Scotland it will be heavier, still in the form of a showery band, but heavier bursts of showery rain up in the north overnight. It's going to be a much warmer night than we've been used to for quite a long time actually, with temperatures in most places holding up in double figures. The far northeast Scotland could drop down, say, 8 degrees before that band of cloud and rain arrives, but otherwise I think temperatures holding up around the low to mid-teens, sort of 13, 14, 15 degrees for many places. So a much, much warmer night than we've had for quite a long time. Through the course of Thursday, the low pressure is driving things out in the Atlantic. That'll move in closer to the country on Friday. But for Thursday, we're going to start off with that band of cloud and sort of showery rain across eastern Scotland and eastern England through the course of the morning. That'll clear off into the North Sea. We're really looking at a case of sunshine and showers. Some of the showers in the northwest could be quite heavy, but otherwise I think they'll be fairly light and scattered for the rest of the country. The winds will get up a little bit as well from the west, so that'll take the edge off the temperatures. Will probably be somewhere up to around 22 in the southeast. So again, a bit warmer than we've been used to recently. 22 is 72 Fahrenheit. But in the northwest, you'll start to feel cooler and fresh eventually as this westerly wind picks up. And as we go through to Friday, low pressure is coming in to the west of Scotland, so I think that's going to bring another area of quite heavy rain potentially for Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of Friday morning. In particular, that'll push down in towards Northern England and North Wales. But for the rest of England and Wales, probably mainly dry. A few showers could come through on Friday afternoon, but I think generally mainly dry conditions actually for the south and the east on Friday. Rather a lot of cloud though. Temperatures somewhere between around, say, 14 and 20 once again. Notice this very deep storm off the coast of Newfoundland. That is the remains of Hurricane Cristobal, and that's going to be pushing up towards Greenland and Iceland over the weekend. Here's the chart for Saturday showing that low pressure moving into the Atlantic. That is eventually going to promote this area of high pressure up across the country. So Hurricane Bertha sort of destroyed summer and brought this very unsettled spell of weather through across the country. Hurricane Cristobal is going to do something completely different. So it's just going to show you how these remnants of hurricanes do have very vast and different effects on our weather and across the setup in the North Atlantic in January. It's one of the reasons why August, September and October, particularly August and September, are always the most difficult months to forecast, really, particularly in terms of long-range forecasting. Anyway, that caveat aside, getting back to Saturday, here's the high pressure beginning to build up from the south. So I think we're looking at more showers really for Scotland. A few coming down to Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, a lot of dry weather. A few showers scattered about here and there, but I think a lot of dry weather. Saturday, rather a lot of cloud once again, though, but a few sunny spells will come through. Temperatures somewhere between around 15 and 21. As we get through into sunny, there's below pressure, the remains of Hurricane Christabel going up to Greenland, Iceland. There's the high pressure building across the country in response, so there'll be more in the way of sunshine on Sunday. It could be a chilly start early and late, particularly in the north and in rural locations, but otherwise a lot of fine weather for Sunday with good sunny spells developing. Temperatures lifting up possibly to around 22 or 23 degrees into below 70s Fahrenheit. And then moving through into Monday, the end of the 5-day forecast period, the low pressure is up over Iceland again. That's the remains of Hurricane Christabel. The high pressure is through across the country. We've got a weak weather front coming into Scotland, so there could be a band of cloud and very patchy rain for Scotland. But otherwise, a lot of dry weather, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures could be up to 24 degrees for the first day of September in the south. In that sunshine, 24 is 75 Fahrenheit, and it looks as though that high pressure is going to persist throughout much of next week, actually, keeping it mainly dry, sunny and warm. Here are the charts from the weather outlook. Got the showery rain coming into the south and southwest today. I can push northwards and eastwards later on and overnight. Going through to Thursday, if we can click this over, there we go. We're going to find that we have showers really across the country. We'll lose that persistent sort of rain from the north and the east. We'll have showers then following in from the west. Temperatures a little bit warmer than we've been used to recently in the southeast. Friday, a lot of dry weather in the south-southeast, rather a lot of cloud. There's the rain up in the northwest through Scotland, Northern Ireland and northern England. Going into Saturday, a few showers scattered about, but I think a lot of dry weather really. Rather a lot of cloud though, so don't expect more towards sunshine on Saturday. And by the way, I know that one of my Twitter followers, Lucy, is getting married on Saturday. It's been asking me what the weather's likely to be doing. I think you're going to do okay. There could be a shower scattered about. There's rather on a cloud, but I think we're looking at plenty of dry and fine weather. So have a nice day, Lucy. Going through to Sunday, well, there's the sunshine coming through as that high pressure builds across the country. Proper sort of late summer weather conditions as we go through to Sunday, and that persists into Monday as well. A few showers coming into Scotland perhaps on Monday with a little bit of cloud, but otherwise a lot of sunshine, and temperatures will be lifting up towards around 24 by Monday afternoon. That's 75 Fahrenheit. So in summary, we're changing the weather pattern once again. Over the next 5 days, we're starting off pretty cool and unsettled. We're going to turn it much drier and much warmer by the time we get through to the weekend and into the start of next week. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.